Check. Gonna have a spare minutes for sound check man, Mr. Spencer, to tune us in. Can you have a pace up a little bit, please? The bass. Thank you. Testing 1, 2, 3. You hearing me clearly? Good. Thank you. Well, my name is Nasalio Schmidt, and I'd like to say tarofa lava ma lores o fomanuia ele mamalo to fiong pakitai lava le afio mai. But ole mafuanga, or the purpose why we're here, we're gonna bring back a history piece of Samoa. It's called the English style. But this is not the one that we used to hear in the standard key. These are the ones with the slack keys. Slack keys tuning, when the guitars arrived in Samoa, the late 18th century, 19th century, it arrived with standard key. And then our forefathers there create a style on top of it. These standard keys, and they usually call it the Inyo Revaveao. I think one of our old friends here recognize that name. Hands up, yo, if you heard of that, the Inyo Revaveao, the plaqueton. Yes. So because it's a dying art, quite a few of them who knows how to play it, but less opportunity to share it. And that's the reason why we're here, is we want to share it and to make it alive again. It is well known for its pleasant and peaceful. It's like a music for meditation. Why the Inyo Revaveao, the name plaqueton, it's because they usually play at that time meditating for their daily activities before they go and do their work, and usually before the time they sleep. So, like I said before, it's not the standard key Inyo, because that's popular now, the Sipa Sabo Inyo, right? But this is like a meditation Inyo. Why it is important? It's different from all the other music that's around the world. I'll demonstrate a little comes from overseas. The blues. That's blues from America, right? The jazz too. Usually from America, the black Negro, Afro music. composer. And I think you're familiar with this classical piece. When it comes to country music, come to reggae. Reggae music, all right? If we compare it to this style created from the slack keys, it's different. And that's why we like to bring it back, all right? It originated from Samoa, Samoan's own, okay? It's different from the ingi, that's the usual one that is popular now, with the silver Samoa one. But this one, now we're going to demonstrate the Indian of the album. It's meditation. Mafo foro loko. Olanga na faileas, ea mikua malpea ako, e kokore kaloma mai li popo e faile me ai gas. So, ese ra wai ki, ese ra kinga. ko pinua o ko from Samoa e esimela le isi ko ena me papa oge au le isi ma o ko loko ai. Oh, we want to bring it back, but these two young gentlemen here are brave enough to take the challenge. Lela or Faidela, it took them 12 hours to get what they are going to express now. Oh, Stephanie Vangana from the island of Savai. And the Giuffio Archie from the island of Poland. Okay? They will share it with others too. Here we come to our finale. Continuing the coronavirus, while we are in a pandemic of the coronavirus, isolation is the treatment. But back in the late 18th century or 19th century, leprosy strikes Samoa. You remember that? Leprosy strikes Samoa. So from the Europeans, the Germans, there was a meeting of a treatment, how to treat leprosy in Samoa. The same thing, isolation. But from a Samoan perspective, it's a very cruel thing to do, to isolate your people, right? So they create this song. They go to express their feelings of love towards those who are in isolation, right? So we like to dedicate this song to all of you who are joining tonight. The any style or mawhai o ngā āwhei ei, ia pese Samoa kuwaifo. Wāli keimi o kako, aere i o maiki kara, before kita came to Samoa, they only sing a cappella. O pese whai kumalo mamu. And maua mai loki kala me whapena, then we try to e āwhei ei a cappella Samoa. Ia le pese lea e o wholofa kuai, dedicate this song to all of you who are joining us tonight. Thank you.
Levanta-me
Thank you very much.